Unlocking the power of connection. How to relate to texts in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very special concept that can transform the way you interact with English texts. We're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, connect to the text, and show you why it's so crucial for learners at all levels. Whether you're reading for school, work, or pleasure, understanding this concept will elevate your comprehension and enjoyment of the material. So, let's get started. Connecting to the text is a phrase that educators and reading specialists often use, but what does it really mean? To connect to the text means to find a personal link or relevance between yourself and the material you are reading. It's about seeing the text not just as words on a page but as a living document that speaks to you, your experiences, and your emotions. This connection can be emotional, intellectual, or even based on your own life experiences. Personal connections. These are links between your own life experiences and what you're reading. For example, if you're reading a story about moving to a new city and you've experienced that yourself, you're making a personal connection. Text-to-text connections. This involves connecting ideas, themes, or characters from one text to another. It's recognizing patterns or contrasts between different readings. For instance, you might see similarities between a character in a novel you're reading and a character from another story or book. World connections. These connections extend beyond the text, linking its content to larger global issues, historical events, or cultural practices. If a story discusses climate change, and you relate it to real-world events or debates, you're making a world connection. Making connections is not just an academic exercise. It's a way to deepen your understanding and retention of what you read. When you connect to the text, you enhance your comprehension by relating new information to what you already know. Increase your engagement and interest in the material, making reading a more enjoyable and less tedious task. Develop critical thinking and analytical skills by comparing, contrasting, and evaluating the connections you've identified. 1. Ask questions. As you read, ask yourself how the content relates to your life, to other texts you've read, and to the world around you. 2. Annotate. Make notes in the margins about your thoughts, questions, and connections. This active engagement helps solidify your connections. 3. Discuss. Share your connections with others. Discussing your insights can reveal new perspectives and deepen your understanding. 4. Reflect. After reading, take a moment to reflect on the connections you made and how they enhance your understanding of the text. We hope this video has illuminated the powerful concept of connecting to the text for you. Remember, making connections is a skill that improves with practice. The more you engage with texts in this personal and reflective way, the richer your reading experience will become. So, we encourage you to start applying this approach in your English language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Happy reading, and see you in our next video.